Something huge is happening in the auto world. German automakers, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi, are making bold moves. They're not just competing anymore. They're striking back, and it's shaking up the entire U.S. auto industry. American brands are on alert, and even former President Donald Trump is reportedly shocked by what's going on. Let's break it down. For years, the U.S. auto industry dominated its home turf. Ford, GM, and Chrysler had the upper hand. But now, German engineering is charging forward with power, precision, and purpose. These companies have been working quietly, but now they're making headlines. And their message is clear: we're not here to play catch-up. We're here to win. Mercedes-Benz just launched a new line of electric vehicles that has American automakers scrambling. The EQ series isn't just about going green, it's about luxury, performance, and tech that feels futuristic. The EQS, for example, is packed with advanced software, a hyperscreen dashboard, and range capabilities that rival Tesla. And here's the kicker: it's already gaining traction in the U.S. market. Consumers who once looked at Cadillac and Lincoln are now looking at Mercedes with new eyes. Then there's BMW. The German giant isn't backing down either. Their i4 and iX models are showing that electric driving can still mean high performance and sporty design. BMW has also been investing billions into battery technology, autonomous driving, and global production. Their new factories are ultra-modern, and they're pumping out vehicles faster than ever. But here's the twist: BMW is increasing production in places like Mexico and South Carolina. That means more BMWs built closer to the U.S. market, faster delivery, lower tariffs, and a big advantage over some American brands that are still trying to fix supply chain issues. And let's not forget Audi. Their vision for the future is aggressive. The Audi Q8 e-tron, the A6 e-tron, and the sleek Audi Sphere concepts are pushing the limits of what electric cars can look and feel like. Audi wants to be fully electric by 2033, and they're making bold moves to get there. They're already phasing out gas models in Europe, and in the US, they're planning major dealership upgrades to support EVs. Charging infrastructure, fast service lanes, and in-house EV experts, Audi is not waiting around. Now, let's talk numbers. In the last quarter alone, Mercedes, BMW, and Audi saw record sales in North America. Mercedes sales grew by over 10%. BMW wasn't far behind. And Audi posted double-digit growth too. While some U.S. brands are still recovering from production slowdowns, the Germans are hitting full throttle. Their EVs are gaining market share, especially among luxury buyers. And that's putting pressure on American companies like GM and Ford, who are still juggling recalls, labor strikes, and transition challenges. And here's the big surprise. Donald Trump, known for his strong stance on American manufacturing, Trump has reportedly been taken aback by Germany's comeback. During a recent speech, he hinted at rising concerns over imported vehicles dominating U.S. roads again. He even suggested bringing back auto tariffs if elected again. But experts say it may already be too late. The German brands are here, they're strong, and they're gaining loyalty fast. Why is this happening now? One word: strategy. While U.S. automakers were caught up in short-term profits and battling union negotiations, German companies invested heavily in research, cleaner production, and global partnerships. They planned for the EV era a decade ago. They bet big on quality, efficiency, and branding. And now those bets are paying off. Mercedes, BMW, and Audi didn't just upgrade their cars, they upgraded their entire business models. They built flexible factories, trained tech-savvy workers, and embraced sustainability from the inside out. Their batteries are lasting longer, their software is smoother, their interiors are more luxurious, and their brand image is glowing. Meanwhile, American brands are facing challenges. GM had to cut back on EV production goals. Ford's electric F-150 Lightning hit delays. And Chrysler is still struggling to find its place in the EV market. Tesla remains a strong player, but even Elon Musk has taken notice of the German momentum. He's tweeted about the rise of European competition and the need for American innovation to accelerate again. Consumers are speaking too. Many U.S. buyers are now more open to foreign electric vehicles than ever before. Reliability, safety, and luxury are key concerns. And right now, the German automakers are ticking all those boxes. Lease deals are attractive. Financing is flexible, and the after-sales service is top-notch. There's also a shift in brand loyalty. Younger drivers don't have the same attachment to Ford or Chevy as previous generations. They want tech, they want style, they want seamless connectivity with their devices. And Mercedes, BMW, and Audi are delivering that in ways that some U.S. brands still haven't matched. So, what does this mean for the future of the U.S. auto industry? It's a wake-up call. American automakers must adapt or risk falling behind for good. Innovation must be constant, EV investments must continue, and quality must become non-negotiable. Because the Germans aren't slowing down. In fact, they're speeding up. German automakers have made their move. They've shown they can outsmart, outbuild, and outsell even on American soil. And the message is loud and clear. This isn't just competition, it's a battle for dominance, one that could reshape the auto industry for the next generation. So whether you're a car lover, a policymaker, or just someone watching from the sidelines, this is a story worth following. Because the road ahead is electric, it's global, and it's being written now by the bold, the smart, and the fast. Stay tuned. The auto war is just beginning,